Hey y'all, welcome back to this week's sweet treat idea. This week, you guys, I am going to be showing you guys how I make my turtle brownies. All you're going to need, you don't need too much stuff, you guys. All you're going to need is 2 packs of Betty Crocker fudge brownie mix, or if you don't have Betty Crocker, you can get whatever brownie mix you have. It could be the box brownie mix or whatever you have. Of course, you can always do it from scratch, but over here on this channel, we try to stay away from cooking from scratch because we try to do everything easy, fun, and quick. If we make everything from scratch, and of course, it wouldn't be quick, so that's the reason why we try to do everything a little different over here. So yeah, go ahead and grab you guys 2 of the packs or boxes of brownie mix. Of course, you're going to need some pecans, or either, in my case, I have almonds. You're going to need a caramel drizzle, or either like a chocolate, white chocolate drizzle. You're going to need your chocolate chips. Of course, 2 eggs, a 1/3 cup of oil, teaspoons, 2 tablespoons of water. And of course, since we're making 2, just want to double everything, of course. And look on the back of your box or your package, and it's going to tell you everything you need. So yeah, if you are new to the channel, you all, I am AlphaDior. Again, I bake a lot of sweet treats, different tasty sweet ideas. Also, if you scroll down on my channel, you'll also see food as well. So I kind of go back and forth between the 2, food and of course baking, but I try to make everything simple for you guys. Of course, the food items may not be as simple as the baking items, but for my newbies who's viewing me for the first time, you will find a bunch of easy things, a lot of quick and easy things that you are able to prepare quickly and easily for your family, or even for yourself. So if you're interested to see how I do this, stay tuned. Also, you guys, don't forget to share whatever you see for the week. Share it with your family, your friends. That way everybody can join in on the sweet fun. So without further ado, I'm not going to talk any longer. We're going to go ahead and we're going to jump back over into the setup over here where I'm about to whip everything up, and we're going to get started. Let's go. Okay, you guys, so as I was telling you, of course, your 2 packs or 2 boxes of fudge brownie mix. It does not matter what kind you have. Again, I have my oil here. I have my water. I have my nuts, which in my case, it's just almonds. Of course, you guys, for turtle brownies, you probably want to use pecans, but I have almonds. You will need your caramel drizzle, or in this case, I have white chocolate because I'm not a big caramel type of person. So I substitute that with like a white chocolate drizzle. Of course, you're going to need your chocolate chips. And here I just got the semi-sweet Great Value chocolate chips, but it doesn't matter as long as they're the chocolate chip morsels. Also have 2 eggs. So if you are interested to see, or even want to, go along with me as I do this, go ahead and grab your ingredients and let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and open up my brownie batter. And okay, I was able to easily tear that without getting the scissors, but okay. So again, first things first, go ahead and get your brownie mix and get it over into your mixing bowl, just like so. And like I told you, since you're making 2 packets, you guys go ahead and double everything it tells you on the back, just double that, okay? So there's 1 pack. We're gonna go ahead and get our 2nd pack open. Wait a minute, now I was able to tear the first one. What's going on with this one? I can't tear it. Okay, no. Wait, what? The first one was so easy to tear open. Really? Okay, so we gotta get the scissors for this one. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and snip this packet open. I don't know why the first one was easy to tear, but this one, it's just trying to be stubborn, but that's okay, you got it. All right. And pour this one. You know what? Maybe this is a lot. So maybe I need a different bowl. Let's go ahead and get a bigger bowl. So we just gonna switch these bowls on out because I don't know what I was thinking, but that ain't gonna work. So let's get this bigger mixing bowl. There we go. That's much better. All right. All right, you guys. And, don't worry. I mean, nobody's perfect. We're not going to be perfect. Again, we're doing this, kind of together. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get our water. You don't need that much. Get that over in there. We're gonna crack open our 2 eggs. Boom, 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 just like so. There's one. And here's the second one. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Got that done. All right. Next thing we're gonna do, you guys, I'm gonna move this oil before I knock it over. So next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and start mixing this up. If you got your hand mixer, go ahead and pull out your hand mixer. But I have one, but I'm not gonna use it. I'm gonna use the spoon. So just like that, gonna just mix. And everybody knows what cake batter, what brownie batter should look like. So you just keep on mixing until you get the clumps, all of your clumps out. Just like that. Not that hard. All right, mix, mix, mix. And then you just want to go ahead and just scrape the sides of your bowl and just get it all down into your bowl. And you just keep on doing that until it becomes, you know, like the dark, smooth, you know, batter that you're looking for. Okay. And if you guys can see, it's starting to come together and it's starting to be that brownie color. Okay. Once I get this mixed up a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and add over the oil into the okay. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and add my oil like so. Okay. And then you're just going to keep on mixing until you get all of this incorporated. So if you guys don't know what a turtle brownie is, or turtle cookies, it's just a combination, you guys, of chocolate brownie, pecans, caramel, and Hershey chocolate chips. You know, really good, really yummy. If you are into chocolate, you'll probably love this. If you like caramel, you'll probably love this. But again, if you would like to if you don't, I'm not a person who like caramel and stuff, this is what it's looking like so far, you guys. You guys can see that. But again, if you guys are not the type that like caramel, you can substitute that again. Like here I have a white chocolate drizzle. I like caramel. Like if you guys know what a Twix candy bar, I'll eat caramel, but I just don't like it, like too much of it, if that makes sense. So I just switched out the caramel to some white chocolate drizzle. Okay guys, so we have that mixed up. All right. What you're gonna do now, you guys, you're gonna go ahead and grab your baking dish. Here I've already greased this. You guys can see it's already greased. You see that? And then we're just gonna go ahead and get our brownie. We're gonna go ahead and get our brownie pour over into our baking sheet. If you're looking for a thicker brownie, just use a smaller baking pan. That way it'll be much thicker and you know, for you. If you the type that you want a thicker brownie. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and get it in here like so. You can also make cookie. You can make a cookie as well, you guys. So So you're just gonna even this out and get it spread onto your baking dish. And that's just what I'm doing here. Just like so. Okay, that was really simple, really easy. And again, what I'm doing here is just evening it out so it could be like a even texture here, because it's like, since this pan is large or longer, we have to even it out. All right, so there we have it. Okay, you guys, so I'm just cleaning my hands. Next thing we're gonna do, I'm just gonna kind of, you know, do it like this to make sure it's evenly distributed, just like so. You guys, I love brownies. I love brownies, but I like my brownies with like the almonds or pecans in there. Of course, the kids don't like theirs with the, so if you guys notice, when I finish this, I'm gonna leave one side without all of that extra stuff because they don't like almonds and stuff on theirs. But again, these are turtle brownies, so we have to have the nuts on there. But of course, their side, we're gonna leave that side alone. So again, you guys, again, you need your pecans. I wish I had pecans, but you know, like I tell you guys, use whatever you have. If you don't have pecans, that's okay. If you, whatever nut you have, you can use that. Okay, so don't be like, okay, I don't have pecans. Okay, that's okay. You use what you have. Use whatever you have, sweetheart. Okay, so there we go. Well, actually, to be honest, this is gonna be the side that's the turtle brownies. This side over here is, if you guys see my side compared to their side is much more plain because they don't want all this stuff. But of course, these are turtle brownies, so that's what I'm gonna give you guys, turtle brownies. So we've got our nuts on there. The next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna come in with your chocolate chips, you guys, and we're just gonna drizzle those on top. If you guys have kids like mine, they're so picky. They so picky. I be telling them, I wish you guys were like kids that just eat anything. They don't eat anything. They so picky, so I have to tiptoe around everything I make, you guys. It's meals out there I can't even make and share with you guys because they don't like it. So the food is just, the food or the dessert is just going to kind of sit, not being touched. So, okay, you guys. So, we have our chocolate. I don't know if they want chocolate chips on this. I'm not going to do their side. We have our chocolate chips. The next thing you're going to do, guys, is go in with your, in this case, like I told you guys, I substituted my caramel with white chocolate drizzle. So next thing you're going to do, you're going to go in with your drizzle, and you're just going to drizzle that on top. And when it's done, you guys, you just drizzle some more. So, all right, there we have it. So I'm going to hold the camera down. I'm going to let you guys see how this looks. And then, yeah. So if you guys can see exactly what I have on here, I have the chocolate chips, the nuts, the drizzle. It will be the caramel drizzle, but in this case, it's a white chocolate drizzle. And that's the making of your turtle brownie. So we're gonna stick this into the oven. Look on the back of your package and it'll tell you just how long to keep your brownies in the oven. And we come back, we're gonna cut these bad boys up and see just how they turned out. So again, you guys, if you are new to the channel, you will find so many different sweet treats that I prepare. And again, they're easy, they're delicious, things that are quick, fast, that you will definitely love. So yeah, let's get these brownies over into the oven. We're gonna come back, we're gonna cut them up, and we're gonna see just how they turned out. I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, you guys, so the brownie is finally finished baking in the oven. We're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. That way we can get it over into the dish that we're gonna be putting it in. It smells really good, you guys. And mind you, I've never made turtle brownies, so we're kind of doing this together. So I hope you guys get a chance to make these. Let me know in the comments if you've made them, how they turned out, whether you like them. But again, this will be my first time making them. And I am gonna, you know, give you guys an update. Let you guys know if I even liked them. So yeah. All right. So I think we're able to get about 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We were able to get about 15 brownies within this pan. So of course, if you don't need this many, you just use a smaller pan for baking pan for yourself. But of course, this is what I had, so this is what I use. So yeah, we got one side turtle brownies, one side regular brownies. And again, guys, try them out. Let me know how they turned out. I will see you guys in next week's video idea. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's somewhere down here. And, you know, share the video. Let me know what you guys think of these brownies. Is it something that you will try? And yeah, so there we have it, you guys. Yummy. They smell awesome. And again, I will see you guys next week. Bye.